Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you all on behalf of Ilmo Irfan Institute. The mission of our institute is as follows. According to our research, life is equal to 15% technical skills plus 85% human engineering. Therefore, at Ilmo Irfan Institute, our aim is learn to achieve excellence in any technical skill by following the best learning methodology, that is, do it yourself, and practicing the three main pillars of human engineering: truth, honesty, and justice. To achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering, Ilmo Irfan Institute offers a course Popular IDEs for C++ programming language in Windows operating system. It is lecture number 17 of this course, Install Eclipse in Windows. And I am your instructor Arshi Iftihar. Let's start with lecture outline. Inshallah, in this lecture, first I will present quick recap. After that, I will present steps to install Eclipse in Windows operating system. Let's start with quick recap. In previous lecture, I presented how to search and access the official website of Eclipse using Google. After that, I presented how to download the latest version of Eclipse setup file from its official website. And in the last, I presented how to verify that Eclipse setup file was successfully downloaded. Install Eclipse in Windows. Inshallah, in the next slides, I will present a simple and step-by-step process to install the latest version of Eclipse in Windows operating system. System and software specifications to install latest version of Eclipse in Windows operating system are as follows. Operating system is Windows 10. Software is Eclipse. The version of Eclipse is 2022-09. It is installed on 29 September 2022. Inshallah, I will follow the following steps to install Eclipse in Windows 10. Step 1 is locate Eclipse setup file. In the previous lecture, that is lecture number 16, download Eclipse in Windows, I downloaded and extracted the Eclipse setup file in the downloads folder. Therefore, to access the setup file, I will first go to desktop screen by using Window plus D key. Here I am on my desktop screen. Double click on this PC icon. It will open a new window. On the left hand side, you can see the downloads option. Click on downloads folder to open it. Here is the Eclipse setup file. Alhamdulillah, I have successfully located the Eclipse setup file. Now let's move to step number 2, that is run the installation wizard. Inshallah, I will run the installation wizard to install Eclipse in Windows 10. Click on Eclipse folder. After that, run the application file of Eclipse. A new window will open. Select a directory as workspace. I will choose default option and click on the launch button. After clicking on launch button, the Eclipse is starting. After installation, a new window will open. Alhamdulillah, step 2 is successfully completed. Now let's move to third and final step, that is verify the installation of Eclipse. To complete this step, I will move to my desktop screen by using Window plus D key. Here you can see the shortcut of Eclipse has been created. To summarize, I used a three-step process to completely and correctly install Eclipse in Windows 10. To do and your turn. To do task for this part of lecture is install Eclipse on your computer with Windows operating system as shown in this lecture. Your turn task is install latest version of Visual Studio Code on your computer in Windows operating system by following the steps mentioned in this lecture. Let's move to lecture summary. To summarize, in this lecture, I presented how to locate Eclipse 2022-09 setup file on your computer. After that, I presented how to run the installation wizard to install Eclipse. And finally, I presented how to verify that Eclipse was successfully installed. In next lecture, Inshallah, in next lecture, I will present how to run your first C++ program using Eclipse. Allama Ibn Numan Nurullah Murkada said, there is a consensus among all religious scholars that reciting Durood Sharif on Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam is superior among all good deeds. May Allah give us tawfiq to abundantly recite Durood Sharif on our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ameen. We shall be thankful to you if you may please provide your valuable feedback on this lecture. Jazakumullahu khair. May Allah bless all of us with His afiyat and karam. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.